In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your own YouTube videos from YouTube Studio. So if you want to download a video you uploaded on YouTube, you can easily do it using YouTube Studio. So let's go step by step. Now, first, open YouTube on your browser and make sure you're signed in to your account where your video is uploaded. Now, on the right side, click on your profile, and in here, click on View Your Channel. Next, what you need to do is to click on Manage Videos, and on the left-hand menu, click on Content right here, and this will show all the videos you've uploaded. Now, scroll through your list and find the video you want to download. Now, hover over that video, and next to your video, click the three-dot menu. This will open more options. Now, from the menu, click on Download, hover over Download, and click on it. Then your video will start downloading to your computer instantly. So if you want to open the file, click on Open File, and you can watch the video. So you can only download your own videos, and some videos may be limited in resolution, and download option may not appear if there are restrictions. And now your YouTube video is now saved on your device and ready for backup, editing, or reposting. So just a quick tip, always keep a backup of your videos. You never know when you might need them again. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.